Hi everyone, my name is Liza Spirit and welcome to my YouTube channel, the channel where I focus on personal growth and development and spirituality. And here I am today in this video about to introduce one extra topic, one extra thing into my YouTube channel, and it is going to be trading. You saw, if you watched the previous video, that I'm kind of closing the chapter when it comes to numerology, matrix of destiny. I'm introducing my new projects, but trading has been as well part of my life recently and pretty actively. If you follow me on different social media pages, especially if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen my trading journey. You've seen that I've been posting a lot since the beginning of the year about the trading, doing the challenges. I just started the challenge to make 30K before I turned 27, before my birthday in September. So there've been a lot of activity when it comes to trading, and I want to start introducing the concept of trading, how it is going for me. It's gonna be 1 year in July since I started day trading. And I want to have some things and some videos about that, about my journey as well here on the long format videos as well. So that's why today's video is about how to be a spiritual mentor and at the same time to be a novice day trader. How do I combine it? How they complement each other? How actually my background of being a spiritual mentor helps me a lot in my day trading journey as well. So we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about my backgrounds and we're gonna talk about future plans. So what you should expect in the future from this channel and what type of videos you should expect as well. So first thing, let's talk about my spiritual mentorship background. As you've been watching this channel for some time, you know that I've been into numerology for some time. I've been teaching numerology, I've been helping lots of people, and in general I've been guiding and helping people for quite some time. So first I got introduced to spirituality when I was a teenager at the age of 12 or 11. So I've known a lot of concepts for a couple of decades now, but I got officially certified as being a spiritual mentor last year. I completed a full 1-year program focusing a lot on how to help people, how to guide them, focusing on psychology of spirituality and psychological aspects a lot. So it's a full program, intense program, several classes a week. I had to pass the exams as well after every block. So we talked a lot about the family constellations and how to build them and how to understand them. We talked about the holistic medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, and I took and passed all the exams related to different techniques and practices, energy practices, tapping techniques to help our body and our system as well, about nonverbal communication, non-aggressive, non-violent communication, emotional intelligence, and so a lot of concepts. And I want to, that's why it's like one of the main ideas why I want to move away from Matrix of Destiny, only because I have a lot to share from my past year of experience and extra practices I want to give to this world. And in general, I started the journey of helping people and guiding people over 4 years ago when I started doing numerology, when I started doing tarot readings. So me becoming certified in spiritual mentorship is just extra step in expanding my knowledge, expanding my expertise, my skills, and using different tools, how I can help people, how I can help you, whoever is watching this video, in your journey as well. So we talked about different levels of therapy as well. So I do have all of those instruments now. I want to share. I have a lot of things inside of me, inside my mind, inside my brain, and I cannot keep it inside of me anymore. So I want to give it out to this world. And so that's been a huge part of my life for many years now. And that's where you would ask me like, okay, why did you decide to go into trading if you've been doing spirituality and a mentorship and you've been mentoring and guiding people? Where is the space for trading here and how are they related at all here? I would say that I started day trading, like being committed to day trading last year July, when all of these things happened with my job changes. If you watch the previous videos, you know. If you have not, you can click on the videos above and you can learn more about my story and about me. And I've been always in love with numbers. I started investing and learning about the stock market for quite some time, like 5 or 6 years ago, but I've never done day trading myself. I would observe my partner doing this, and I was like, okay, that's a great opportunity for me to actually learn it right now. I have time and I can do it, and I just love it. I'm so passionate about it. Even there are lots of failures, there are lots of emotional problems, how you can handle this, lots of stress, lots of anxiety, lots of frustration, aggression. But I just love it. Like, you fail so many times, but because I'm so passionate about it, because I believe in it, and I believe that I can do so well, I keep on doing it, and I keep on doing it, and I want to go and succeed in it no matter what. So I just love it in general. It's been part of my life. And I just decided to share this journey with other people. I decided it's going to create my own community, especially being a girl and a woman in trading space. It's hard because it's male-dominated industry. So when I started, I didn't have a lot of people around me with whom I could communicate and talk about trading. That's where I created recently my free trading community, so everyone can feel supported. All female, all ladies can get extra support within the field of trading. So that's why it's been such a huge part of my life. Recently, I do that every single day. And I said, why not to share this journey with others? I want to be transparent. It is a hard journey. Many people think it's so easy. You just go and do it, and you're going to get lots of money right away. Yeah, you may make some money in the beginning, but then you're going to lose it all if you don't follow the strategy, if you don't have your certain playbook, a plan, a criteria for all your entries and all your trades. So there are a lot of things when it comes to trading, lots of discipline as well. But the key idea is also what I realized, that since I've had the trading and investment around me, and as I said before, my partner was doing it for quite some time, but I realized that last year why I did not start it sooner. I realized the main reason why I did not start day trading sooner, because I was not prepared. Trading, it is a lot of mental aspects. Trading, it is also about mental analysis, mental game, your psychology. It is a huge aspect. If your head is not in place, if you cannot control your emotions, if you cannot control the level of stress that is coming in, you're afraid of losing money, you are greedy, there are lots of negative behavior traits. I started seeing so many things in myself that I've never seen before, like negative emotions, negative feelings, how I express them as well. And I saw that I can control many things, but sometimes you're like, nope, there are still a lot of things to learn and there is room for improvement. So because I was not prepared back several years ago, and here where spirituality and my spiritual growth and my personal growth came into play, how to handle all of those emotions, emotional resilience as well, how to become more mature, how you can handle the stress and anxiety coming into you. And so that's why I realized, no, I wasn't prepared back then. I wasn't prepared several years ago. And that's where I feel like all the techniques I know, meditation techniques, breathing techniques, how I manage stress and anxiety, it helps a lot in my trading as well. So that's where spirituality and trading, they actually go hand in hand, because trading involves psychology. Trading involves mental game. And me having a good foundation, I cannot say amazing and the best, because there is a lot of room for improvement. There are lots of things I can learn how to do better, because I still make emotional driven decisions when it comes to trading. I'm still getting affected sometimes when I lose big numbers, big amount of money. It's getting better. I used to be so frustrated. I used to be so sad when I lost $100. Right now, this is nothing. This is that's okay. We're good. We're doing amazing. So I could see how for the past year, trading has been helping my mental game as well. How I handle the stress, how strong I am. I became more strong because I'm combining right now spirituality and trading, and they go hand in hand, as I said before, because spiritual growth and psychology is a huge part of the trading game. If your head is not in place, you may struggle. You may have a FOMO, that you start entering the trades because you're getting affected by what other people are saying, but what other people are doing. And there are lots of things when we can talk about the trading psychology. So that's where they go hand in hand. That's how I decided to combine these two and talk about spirituality and trading at the same time on my page, because they are all interconnected. And many people before that, they asked me like, so why, like, you have to niche down, you have to find a specific like niche that you should talk about, trading, only spirituality. And I realized, why do I have to do this? Why? Because these two things are part of my life. That's what makes me special. I'm a spiritual mentor and I'm a novice day trader, and that's who I am. That's what makes me special in my trading game and in my spirituality as well, because I know extra things and how to handle many things when coming from the trading game as well, from business, from big money, from big industries. I learn more about the market, about news that actually helps me to stay up on track with everything that's happening in the world. I became more educated about things in this world, about the market, about like a lot of different things, and I truly enjoy it. I love learning all of this. I love learning more about charting, doing technical analysis and building the charts and spending some time analyzing the trades. It's just me. I've always been so passionate about numbers, and that's where numerology as well, right? Numerology, it is also a game of numbers, and trading, it is also a game of numbers. So that's why numbers, they have been part of my life always for a very long time. So that's why they go pretty hand in hand as well when it comes to this side of that as well. That's why also my main goal in life is to get and earn my main income coming from trading, coming from the investments as well, so I could use this capital to give it out to people for my spiritual programs, for my personal growth and development programs. So I want to combine this spirituality and this material worlds, spiritual and material worlds, into my life, because trading, it is fully about money, right? And spirituality, sometimes I'm lacking of the material side. I'm not really making money out of this. I'm not really earning any money. It's not enough for living. So here, by having these two things, I can combine these two worlds inside of me and in my life, and I feel more fulfilled. Because trading, again, you're sitting in front of the screen. It's just you and your screen in the stock market, and you are going through this fight. Is just between you two, but you're lacking of people. There is not a lot of interaction and communication with other people, and I can have it from spirituality by working with clients, by actually helping people. And as I said before, I just recently started my trading community. So it's a game community where I can help people to connect with each other, where I can help people to get better in life, so still being within my mission. So that's how I connect them. That's how, for me, it's something that cannot be separated. It's already just a huge part of my life, and that's how they go hand in hand. So what about the future plans? So what's going to happen with this channel moving forward? And yes, I will have some trading videos, but I'm not going to have like deep trading analysis. I want to still do it from the spiritual perspective as well, from the psychology perspective as well. I'm not going to sit here and analyze different tickers, different stocks, different companies. I want to still make it relevant to my personal journey. So you will see trading videos when it's related to me. You may see some different day in life. I've been posting them on my Instagram, how my day is going, being a spiritual mentor and a novice day trader, how they go hand in hand. Sometimes I go trade and I have tarot clients, for example, moving forward. So I'll share more of the trading videos when it comes to the lifestyle, psychology, being part of my life, mindset games as well. Maybe share some tips, some tricks if you're planning to get into trading, but again, coming all from my personal experience. That's why I want to share. So if there are people who want to start, people who are struggling as well, I want to know that you are not alone, and how you can handle different stress and emotions in trading by my spiritual techniques. So you will see some techniques how to manage stress. You will see some techniques how to manage anxiety. We will talk about tapping techniques, what is tapping, different energy practices as well. So everyone can implement it. Whatever you are doing, if you're working in a stressful environment, it can be applied to you as well, right? So that's why, don't worry, it's not going to be trading and analytics and numbers only heavy videos. It's going to be more related to still life experience, day-to-day things that are happening that can everyone implement into their life as well. So that's the future plans. Let me know your thoughts about it, if you are here for it, if you are excited for it, if you have any questions, if you have any specific requests in terms of what I just shared today. Maybe you want to actually learn about psychology and trading. Maybe you want to learn about different energy practices from spirituality, to see more of my vlog style. I started filming. I'm a little bit struggling filming my vlogs. Hasn't been going well. Only for Instagram right now in a short format, not a long short format yet. But if you would be interested, let me know in the comments below as well. And thank you for watching. Appreciate everyone who is still here. I know many of you came because of the Matrix of Destiny, but stayed here. I truly appreciate all your support and that you are still here with me. Thank you, and have a wonderful rest of your day.